Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can increase the download speed of your Google Chrome in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Okay, so let's get started, and please do make sure that you finish watching this video till the end. So let's start. So please open your Google Chrome first, and once you're in the Google Chrome window, you will see the URL section at the uh, top section. So here we need to type Chrome colon double forward slash and flags. It's Chrome colon forward slash flags. Now once done typing, please do click on enter. And in here you will see search flags search tab, and all you need to do is to search for parallel, and then you will see here parallel downloading option. Parallel downloading enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed for your Mac, Windows 11 or Windows 10 devices, for your Linux, Chrome OS, and the Android. And you will see here that my parallel downloading option is already enabled. And if you don't see this one in your device, then all you have to do is just click on this drop down button, and if you want, or if you see that your device is in default option, please click on enable, and then you will see a relaunch button there, so please click on that, and you will see that your parallel downloading is now enabled. And after you do that, you will see in the upper right corner, you will see a three dot icon, so please click on that, and please go to settings option. So here in the settings option, you can search settings. Please click on that, and here type back. Once you do that, you will see in the very bottom section, it's under system option. You will see continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. You will see this option, and please make sure that this is turned off, because once you turn this on, it will slow down the computer as well as your Google Chrome browser. And also, please check if the option that says use graphics acceleration when available is turned on. So make sure the continue running background apps is turned off, while for the use graphics acceleration is turned on. And once these settings are now done, you can now close this Google Chrome browser, make a quick restart with your device, and then open it again, and then you will see a big difference with the downloading speed. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.